get storms off the East Coast and the West Coast.
Being in Florida, we can have everything from a strong summer storm to a Category 3 hurricane. Clay Electric was impacted by 3 named storms in 2024.
Hurricane Debbie, Hurricane Helene, and Hurricane Milton.
Anywhere from 20 to 50% of our member base was impacted during those storms. AMI was essential in our restoration activities and a key differentiator in improving our restoration times.
Because we could identify those outages, quickly deploy crews, and resolve them through the storm.
AMI allows us to get a better picture of what areas that are in need of service first. Also help us a lot on the restoration side in that we energize a line within, a minute. We are literally pinging 500 meters and they come back within seconds.
One thing we have not seen that I think a lot of people expected was some false positives coming back. But what we found is the data coming back is very accurate and data you can trust.
As much as outage restoration is largely a reactionary event, AMI with proactive notifications have improved member satisfaction, enabling the co-op to be more responsive to the members and informing them that we are aware of the outage ahead of them calling us and reporting the outage.
I think we're just scratching the surface of the value that we've provided using Landis+Gyr's AMI system. We've got a lot of benefits to date. I think we're a stronger company because of it. I think we're providing more value to our members because of it. I think it's a really big win for us.